So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use the Nintendo Today application. This is an application that just came out, so you might be trying to figure out exactly how to use it. Number one, the first thing you're going to have to remember is that this is what the application looks like, and you just want to go ahead and download and install it like any other app. So click up here, and it's going to ask you to log into your Nintendo account. So just go through and log into the account as you normally would. And once you're logged in, you can go ahead and choose the particular game that you would like to set as the app's design. So this is actually pretty cool because there's a lot of different games you can kind of choose from. So you can kind of go through, choose this particular one that you want to go and specify. In this case, we'll choose this one. We can go and click on confirm. And then it says you can receive information each day about the games that you basically choose. So you can kind of specify once again and kind of choose whichever one you want. So in this particular situation, this is something that is really cool as well. So you can kind of go through and you can kind of specify exactly which type of game again that you want to, kind of be more interested in. So in this case, let's say you want to go and choose Super Mario, Animal Crossing Legend, you want to do Kirby, let's say you want to do Metroid. You can choose all these games that you want to, including classics. Click on confirm, and then you'll come into this page. So now you're basically starting to see exactly everything within the Nintendo Direct application. So the main page is basically just this page with all the information about those games that you selected. At the very bottom, you can click on news, and you can see all the different news things that are coming out with the Nintendo. You can also click on the X button to come back. Also, this is version 1 of the app. I'm pretty sure in the future it's going to look very different. You can click on this particular page right here to see a calendar, and if there's any games or releases or anything like that, you should be able to go through and see all these different types of events or anything. I think April 2nd, that's the Nintendo event. So you can kind of get a calendar layout of exactly all the events that are happening. And then if you click on your profile icon here, it'll show you your, Nintendo information, show you your email at the very top, it'll show you all this other information throughout, and a sign out button. So if you just want to go and sign out, you can go and kind of do this as well here. So that is pretty much how to use this application. It's pretty basic. You have a QR code at the top if you want to add anybody, but it's a very basic type of app, nothing super crazy, and that's essentially how you use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.